Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode and explain all of its settings on OPPO Reno 7, but it also works the same way on a OPPO Reno 7 Lite and Pro. So in order to actually enable our power saving mode, we have a few options. So the first one is to scroll down our toolbar, then scroll down again, move to the next, or actually it's right here, sorry. You can enable power saving mode right here already, but you won't be able to change any settings. So now in order to get to our power saving settings, we can press on that icon right here and it will show us the settings. And in order to do it manually, we can go to our settings, scroll down, find battery, and here we are again. So now you can enable power saving mode right here as well, like that. And there's also second option, which is super power saving mode, and you can enable it right here, and you can see the difference is quite high. So right now our phone will take 1 day and 22 hours until it discharges, and if we enable the power saving mode, it will take 2 days and 23 hours and 33 minutes. So it basically gives us about 3 hours of lifetime for our battery, and if we enable that one, it will give us additional 20 hours, but it will actually turn off, which I'm going to show you, of course. It will turn off most of the functions on our phone. So let's go to the power saving mode first. It's a normal version. Here you can enable it. Again, you can turn it off automatically when your battery reaches 90%. So if you enable it right now and we charge our phone and it will be at 90%, this will turn off automatically while having this setting enabled. Next option is to turn on at specified battery level. So if you enable it and use the slider to about 40, for example, it will turn on automatically when your battery reaches 40%. Let's disable both of them and enable power saving mode in order to see more options. Now go to default optimization and you'll be able to change the settings. Here you can reduce screen brightness, so if you enable it and you enable power saving mode, your screen brightness will be decreased. Next option is to change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, so that's basically timeout of your display. If you enable it, the display will take about 15 seconds, so if I don't press anything on my phone, it will start to black out in about 15 seconds. The next option is to disable background sync, and that means if you have any app that uploads something automatically, like Google Photos, it won't work, it won't upload any photos and other things like that. The next option is to lower the screen refresh rate, and it will just lower your refresh rate on the screen, so everything might not be as smooth as before. So that's all of the options. We enabled our power saving mode, and now let's go back and actually try the super power saving mode. You can enable it right here. Don't ask again. Turn on, and right now you can see that a lot of our phone has changed. We don't have normal home screen. Instead we get like a black screen and like phone calls, messages, and a clock. So we can also add any apps by pressing this plus button right here, and if you add any of this like Google Chrome, it should work properly while being in this mode. So we can open the Google Chrome, and as you can see, the websites are loading normally. So now let's go back, disable that mode, and we can move to the battery again, because there's a few options remaining. In advanced settings you can change high performance mode, and it will improve the performance on your phone while being in this mode. You can optimize battery use for specific apps. You can just select them and change it to always ask, don't optimize or auto-optimize. The next option is sleep standby optimization, and your device will consume less power and reduce notifications when you're asleep. So if the your phone detects that you're sleeping and you're not using your phone, it will consume less power. Optimize night charging, and it will reduce battery aging. Your phone learns from daily charging routine, so it can control the charging speed at night and avoid overcharging. So that speaks for itself. It's pretty well explained in the description. Show battery percentage on status bar. So if we enable that, we can see the battery percentage right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.